In this video, I will tell you how to fix computer. And just so you know, no, I am not really at casino, serious, no. It is where there are lots of computers and those are computer lights. It is not casino. But anyways, I will tell you how to fix computer. So as you can see in this picture, this woman is very not happy because she does not know how to use computer expert like me. So it is very easy to fix other computer programs with this one easy step to follow. So fixing computer is very easy. All you have to do is step 1, what you do is you find plug. Step 2, you put plug in plug. Step 3, computer work. So yeah, that is all you have to do. Okay, bye bye. Oh, and by the way, just so you know, I am not at casino. No, serious, I am not. It is you know how you get nice neon lights? Yeah, that is what it is at home office. So anyways, yeah, that is how you fix computer, and you can show your friends this video step 1, 2, 3, and you can help them and they will be so happy. Okay, bye bye.